Hey there, this is Bilal from Suicide. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to animate your text. Yes, the real animation like you're seeing on the screen right now. And just not only that, I'm gonna teach you the way how to make your own templates so you don't have to buy title templates from any funky website. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so once you are in the Premiere Pro, we need a text obviously. So I'm gonna choose the text tool and type in my text. Alright, so my text is now has been created, and if you just zoom into this is a 5-second video, and this is a pretty basic title. If you play the video, this is just a title and nothing else. Okay, so how to animate this title? First, we need to understand keyframes. Yes, the term keyframe is the only responsible thing which we use to animate any kind of video, image, title, text, anything in editing softwares. So let's understand what are keyframes. Well, if you go to your effects control tab, and there is a small drop down icon, I'm gonna click on this guy, and now I can control anything and customize my text. By the way, you can also customize your text from Essential Graphics panel, and if you don't see this panel, just go to Window and select on Essential Graphics. And when you click on your text, you can also customize your text from these options. These are same on both sides. So this is my pretty basic text, and I'm just gonna zoom into this and move the anchor point right in the middle of the text. Here's the thing, these are the transform options to animate the text, and I wanna animate the opacity of this text. So I'm just gonna go to the opacity option, and here you can see this stopwatch icon. As soon as I click on this, it should create a square icon. You can see this is just a basic square, and this square icon is called a keyframe. Now how does it work? Let me show you. I'm just gonna move it to the start point of the video, and somewhere here I want the text to be completely visible. So I'm gonna again click on this small circle icon to add one more keyframe. Now I have two keyframes. If I select the first one and move the playhead to the start point, if I select the first keyframe and change the opacity to 0%, my text is gone. And if I move the playhead towards the second keyframe, the text starts to appear, and this is called animation. Yes, pretty easy, right? You can animate your text from all these options, like position, like scaling. For example, I'm gonna click on scale point, this stopwatch icon, to toggle animation. Now I have a keyframe of this value, and how much bigger the text I want, I can choose the value from here. And let me play it once. Okay, so that's how you animate your text and titles. And if you apply these texts to a video footage, your video should look like this. Now I want to teach you how to make this animation. Okay, let's create one more text. Just select the text tool, create a box like this one, and now we can write anything in this box. This word is not fitting into the rectangle. Just click on this move tool and stretch out this text rectangle like this. Now get back to the text tool. I want this text a bit smaller, like 85. Now we want a line at the top of the first text. So just click on this empty area and click on this new layer icon and choose rectangle. And you can also change the parameters of the rectangle like this. here comes the last thing, how to save this. So just right click on your text, select the option export as motion graphic template. For the sake of the video, let's delete it. Okay, now I want my animation back. Just go to Essential Graphics panel, go to the browse options, click on this plus icon and locate the destination where you just saved your template. I'm going for the location and this is my template. Just click on open and there you go, this is my template. Now I can simply drag it and drop it to my timeline and I have the same thing again. Pretty nice, right? So that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome stuff. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.